Alright guys, thanks for joining. We're going to be learning about how to make a Coinbase wallet today. So it's pretty easy. You actually just go to the App Store, go to Coinbase.com, or just type in Coinbase. You can do it on the computer, but we're just going to do it on the cell phone. Double click to install a Coinbase account, and it's going to go ahead and load for us. Coinbase is pretty cool. They got several different features. They actually have a very good referral program. They also have like a little program where you can earn cryptocurrencies for free just for learning about it. That's more on the desktop version. It has its own chart. How you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies pretty easy. It has charts for each of the different currencies. Currently they have like Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Tezos, XRP, DAI, USD Coin. There's several different others. But you can see there's a get $7 in Bitcoin. You both get Bitcoin, so it's a good referral. In the description, I'll link where you can get $10 worth of crypto, so you can actually get a little more bonus. But we're going to go ahead and open up the app, set up an account so you guys can see how to use it. Super easy to do. So here's current Bitcoin price. We kind of just had a drop off. You can kind of see it right here. We topped out at 19.5 and just been going down since. We'll see what happens though. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. Well, we don't have an account, so we'll just hit get started. I have an account, but we're just going to act like we don't have one. So let's say we'll just make it up. So I'll just say, obviously you'd have to put in the right names because it's going to ask for verifications. But we'll just say James Jones. And then we'll say, let's see, Wagner Hotmail. And I'll make up a password. Cool. All right, certify. I'm 18 years of age or older. Sign up. We'll just say not now. So I'm going to check the inbox. All right, guys, we're back. So entered the email. I went ahead and verified the email. It basically just says, hey, please verify your email. You click on the link, yada, yada, yada. All right, so now we're going to secure our account. Just make up 8139285. Came through, completed. Let's go ahead and start verifying my identity. Basically, it just asks for your name, date of birth, SSN, etc. Then it'll go through a verification process. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on my account when it's already set up on my phone. Logged in, we're already verified. Now here's my account. Here you can see, here's some Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum. You can kind of see all the different crypto products that they have. Let's scroll down. So this will show you the top movers. Well, these are the negative. Right now, we're actually doing a video on Bitcoin just tanking right now, man. It's down by like 12, 15%. See, losing momentum, fees increasing. Could be a good buy. But so you can see, here's the news. Tells you a little bit about the news feed. This is where you can see your portfolio. So right now I have some US dollar. I got a lot of USD coin just on the side to buy some stuff. I also have some ETH, some Dash, Stellar Lumens. I actually got the Stellar Lumens for free from Coinbase. Same thing with the Bitcoin. I got it way back. I got like 20 bucks worth, but since it like doubled in price. Same with Compound, EOS, Algorand, Maker, Cello, Gold, Zcash. They were all for free from Coinbase. So they have like little incentives just for learning about the cryptocurrency. You can do it on the desktop, and here's some other assets that they trade. You can just click on any of these. You can follow it. This is really just kind of like tracking the prices. If you want to go to the ones where you can buy, you go to prices. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's all these right here. So the list of all these are ones you can buy. So Litecoin, you can buy it. See, you just hit the buy, one-time purchase, enter in whatever you want, preview buy, and then it'll tell you the Litecoin price, which is 67 a coin, and it tells you trade on Coinbase instantly, withdraw from Coinbase 7 days. Basically, what that means is you can't withdraw a certain amount. So the Coinbase fee is going to be about 14 bucks. So it's going to make you hold this for 7 days. So to see what an example of that looks like is I'll go to my USD coin. Easy way to search for it is just go USD, see, and it'll pop up here. Hit the USDC. I'm going to go to my wallet. So my wallet right now, if I was to send some money, I just transferred some. I can only send out about $1,866. So if I try to send out, let's say $2,000, it'll say withdrawal limit exceeded. You can only withdraw this much because I have to wait a certain amount of days. That's the drawback of Coinbase. So Coinbase is really easy in being that you can just purchase the cryptocurrencies like with ease. It's you just click it, trade, buy, and type in a number, and automatically after you link your bank, or I can buy it with the cash that I deposited from my bank. So here's the ways to add in a linked account. You can add a payment method. You can use the bank account, lowest on the fees. Debit card is the second. Wire transfers, you're going to get a lot of fees on the wire transfers. But they also added in PayPal, which is pretty nice. Link your account instantly and withdraw funds from Coinbase to PayPal. That's awesome. So, I mean, for people who don't have a bank account, they can use PayPal now. I guess it was a newer update. So here's the limits and features. I see I have a level 3. So this is how you can do the different levels. Level first or level 1 is just verifying your phone number. Level 2, you get unlimited investing, wire funds in your Coinbase, etc. Level 3, and you just do a photo ID. So it's just a standard KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Basically, just it's just another way for the government to make sure if you're making any profits in cryptocurrencies or if you're buying anything, it's just so you aren't doing anything shady. But yeah, this is the general Coinbase features. It's nice. It's easy to use. You can trade cryptocurrencies, so you can convert some Bitcoin. So here, I'm gonna say we'll do Bitcoin to, let's say, what do I want to convert it to? USDC. I don't know. Let's just say Civic. So I'll convert $1 worth of Bitcoin to Civic. So right now, a Civic's trading at like 8 cents or 7 cents. So it's going to give me 14 of them. I could preview the convert, and basically says the exchange rate is 1 BTC equals 234,779 CVC. Wow, that's a lot. But yeah, BTC is the king of the crop right now. So yeah, that's Coinbase. It's very easy to use. It's really good features. I can't say it's bad, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video or you want to see other videos, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot more videos about cryptocurrencies so people can run with it and start making their own, being their own banker, basically. Gets rid of the centralized authority, and I really don't like how sometimes you go to the store and you try to buy something with a debit card, and that debit card might not go through, or the bank calls you and says, hey, we aren't going to allow you to buy something with your credit card. It's just a centralized authority. So with cryptocurrencies, it's great. No one can tell you what to do. It's your money.